Hi, ARK fans, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm not the bearer of the good news. The market value of ARK Invest of all the 8 ETFs combined has hit a new low. It has gone below 40 billion, which it has done in past as well in one instance, but it has recovered from there. But today, it has gone even lower than that. So we will go over what's the trend looking like since the time I've been recording. And is this really the rock bottom? I certainly hope not. Um, there are so many macro conditions in the market right now that are going on, causing all of this to go down. And ARK Invest USP mainly is innovative companies, new and upcoming innovative companies, and not a lot of people are investing in those right now. If you really look at the long term, new and innovative companies are the ones that really matter, that really move the economy forward, move US forward, in fact, move whole earth forward, right? All the economies, all the nations forward. So I am still very bullish in ARK. I believe in their USP of investing in innovation. And if you really look at the long term, that's when you will see that it will bounce back, and hope it does sooner than later, but we will see how it goes one day at a time. Stay with me, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side with more trends and data. Welcome back, friends. In our summary section, we keep an eye on market value. We have selected the whole date range today just because we wanted to check, has this market value of all the 8 ETFs combined has gone lower than this. Looks like not. 38.27 billion is the lowest, which is end of day yesterday, 29th September. And it has never been that low. The only point that it has been near that is May 14th, when it was 38.78 billion, but it has hit the lowest since the time I've been recording data. It's since January 26th. The highest it has been is 60.81 billion in past. So this is not a good news, but I still believe in innovation. I still believe in their concept of investing in their strategy of investing in new and innovative companies, because those are the companies that ultimately move the humanity forward, move the economy forward. Tesla being a very good example of doing that in their fund, how they have been highly bullish on that. So hopefully it comes back up. We'll keep an eye on it one day at a time, like we always do. This is how the 38.27 billion divided in all the 8 ETFs. This is the number of companies in all those 8 ETFs. Um, as you can see, since the beginning of the year, January 26th is when I started recording, it has gone up all the way to 297 companies at one point, and it is down to 277 companies now. Let's take a look at the biggest moves of yesterday, September 29th. Basically, the threshold that we have today is 3.5%. So any company that moved for which they moved shares, added or removed shares by 3.5% will show up here. These are the companies that fit that criteria. This is their ranking in 277 companies that they're invested in. Topping the charts is Surface Oncology, where they added 5% extra shares, Quantum SI 4% extra shares, Signify Health 4% extra shares there as well. And when I hover over these, you'll see more information. For example, Signify Health is present in 2 ETFs. This is their shares trend that they have been buying, and the stock price trend, how the stock price trend has been going down, shares trend has been going up. Basically, they have been buying the dips. They're very bullish on it. This company for sure, rank is 30. Quantum, similar story there. Surface Oncology, kind of similar story there for long term. Caribou Biosciences, they've removed 80% of that already, looks like. Look at that trend of shares. They have consistently been reducing it since past few weeks. NXP Semiconductors also, they've been removing their investment from there as the stock price has been going up. They're probably taking the profits. Nintendo long-term stock price going down, and they have also been reducing it. Snap, um, stock price going up and then reducing. C, similar story there. Nanostring Technologies, Skillz, they have reduced 5% also there yesterday. So that's not good. Alphabet also, let's see, 5% removed. Alphabet, anyways, they treat it as cash, big established companies, so they can remove shares from there and invest in other new and innovative technologies. So that's the biggest move by shares. Let's shares movement. Let's take a look at biggest move by market value, just because there could be some companies whose stock price has gone up or down by a lot, and hence but there is hardly any trading in those. Uh, no shares movement, and hence the market value movement is big. So Teladoc Health 71 hardly any share movement, stock price going down. C, we already covered. Square, so these are the ones, there's hardly any movement of shares, but look at the big movement in market value just because the stock price has gone down. So I'll hover over these so you can take a look at the trends quickly. Feel free to pause the video if you're interested in looking at a particular company trends. Um, so those are the biggest moves. Let's take a look at overall portfolio diff from yesterday. This is how it looks, more red than green, as we saw in market value as well. Tesla kind of saving the day for them. If Tesla was also red, it would be worse. Could have been much worse. So um, that's the overall portfolio. There are no new or removed companies today. We always keep an eye on these four companies that are our favorite: DraftKings, NanoDimension, Palantir, and Skillz. Today they have added 1.9% to DraftKings, 300,000 shares, but they have removed Skillz quite a bit, a million shares removed from Skillz. So, and this is the market value that they have reduced. It's a combined effect of multiple things. So no, multiple things, as in they've reduced shares and stock price has gone down too for Skillz. So that's how that's the trend. Let's quickly take a look at where they have reduced Skillz. If we slice the trend by market value, you will sorry, the ETFs, you'll see it's present in two, and they have reduced mainly in ARKK. They have also reduced just a little bit on ARKW side as well, but mainly 7.7% in ARKK and 0.6% in ARKW. So that's Skillz. Let's see where they have added in DraftKings. DraftKings is present in three ETFs. Looks like they have added in all three a little bit. So 1.6% extra shares added in ARKK, 3.7 in ARKW, and a little bit reduced in ARKF, just 0.3%. So that was your daily episode, guys. I'll be doing a monthly episode tomorrow to see how did they do for the whole month of September. And since this is a quarter boundary as well, we'll do a quarterly episode as well in upcoming days to see how they performed um, in July, August, September quarter. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.